Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we're going to be talking about my new website, bestprinterstech.com. Now a lot of people browse my website because they're looking to repair their printers. Usually they're buying cleaning kits, other times they're maybe needing to buy a print head. But either way, this website is geared towards you as the consumer getting exactly what you need. So you can Step one is to try and clean the print head, which is usually what you need to do. And for that, you can come over to my website here, and you can come over here to printer cleaning supplies and kit. Now, whether you have an HP or a Canon, you can click on one of these links, and it will take you to this cleaning kit, which I highly promote, which I highly recommend. And you just need to click on this image here, and it will take you to an Amazon.com where you can go ahead and buy it. It's very, very inexpensive. You can also get a new print head here. If you needed a Canon print head, or the most popular one that is sold on my channel is this one for the HP OfficeJet 8600, I believe it is. I have a video on that one. So there's a lot of resources here, and I always talk about in my videos the resources that are in the description below. I'm going to tell you that right now, that somewhere on the screen here or in the description below, there's a link to this website. Now, if you're clicking this website and you are needing to buy a printer, you are also in the right place. So you would click shop. We've got some printers here which I highly recommend that you can go ahead and buy. Now we also have a recommendation list, best printers for 2018. Okay, we've got the Canon Pixma TR8520. Now let me give you a quick example. Okay, you click on one of these links and you go to this page here. Let's say it's the 4620, and you click on this link that says used and new. Now if you didn't catch that, that's very important. If you clicked used and new here, you're not going to be buying at the prices that are listed on my website. Some of them are pretty high. They don't talk about them here. But with any printer you buy, you can buy the used version of this printer or new. Either way, doesn't matter. But you can get a much bigger discount buying refurbished, let's say over $600 new, and that's typical for this printer. Now, let's say you were wanting to use the same ink. Let's say you had some HP ink, 564 XL, 564 color, which is the most common type of ink people are using on most of these HPs. Let's say you want to upgrade to a new printer. Now what you can do is you can search any of these, but what you can do is just click on this link and you can copy and paste this right into the search bar up there. So let's say you had the 4620, but you want to upgrade to a Photosmart Plus D7560. All you do is click on that link there, and you are going to be getting this printer, which is an upgrade. This is a more geared towards printing photos, and this is only available new, but that's a reasonable price. So when I say resources, there are tons of resources. So I had some other examples here as well. I've got the Epson Expression Photo XP 8500. Now, there's going to be a link to all of these printers in the description below. So if you were wanting to buy one of these, then you can go ahead and click on this link. And remember what I said. If you know how to shop on Amazon, if you're not too familiar with it, you click this link down here and you get the lowest price here. Okay? Now these are only available new, but this is another printer I highly recommend. It's a newer printer. It's an Epson, and any advice that I give, it's because I've dealt with them. If you look at my channel, there's over pretty much 100 videos on cleanings, on repairs. Sometimes I'm taking them apart. So I am giving you information here that is very much valid. Now let's go to the next one. This printer is extremely popular. I've also sold many of these printers. Now this is the Dell 926 Photo, and just an example, your printer here ends up getting an error code, but guess what? You have a ton of ink left over, so you want to buy a new one. Well, just go to bestprinterstech.com. You can go ahead and shop here, And there it is right there for $369. But let me tell you what, when you click on this link here and you click on that buy product link, you can go here and you can get this printer for $170 roughly, $160 roughly. And this ships from Illinois. Hey, look at that. I'm also selling that as well. So I do also do sales. So you could be possibly buying from me, but guess what? You've got videos to see how I deal with these printers. So bestprinterstech.com. I highly recommend it. A ton of resources. If you need me to add some resources into my website, go ahead and comment below. Hey, I am still adding to this website, but I have prior experience and I know what most of the problems you guys are having. Now I'm wanting to help you save money. That is my goal, to help you make a better decision with these printers, that once you end up having an issue with your printer, you've got a lot of different options. Okay, and that's kind of outlined here with this intro to my website. So again, there's going to be a link in the description below. If you're ever needing to, even if, let's say you clicked on this video, you don't have any problems with your printer, but you're looking for suggestions on what to buy next, this is a website that can help you with that. We will give you recommendations. You can comment in this video here, whatever question you might have. So I really hope you go ahead and visit this site. I hope it's helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'd greatly appreciate that. Thank you for watching, and until next time.